Hi, I would like to show you how to work with PrioMaxR block inside PrioArray sublibrary in CAS Standard. So drag and drop PrioMaxR block. It's extendable block, so we can extend it. It has from 1 to 6 inputs, and this block calculates the maximum from connected inputs which are enabled. This block has no forcing, so there is no value 0 input, and we can also see on priority output which priority has the highest number. So let's try it. So in case that I enable value 1, so the highest number has channel 1, which is number 2, and channel is active. In case that I activate channel 3, so the highest number from those two which are active is number 4, and the channel is number 3. In case that I open also channel 2, which has value 8, so right now this output 8 has the highest, the maximum. We can make it lower to, for example, 3.5. And again, back is channel 3 with highest number, which is 4, which is at the moment active. In case that I activate the channel 4, it beats all other channels which are active at the moment, and the highest number has channel 4, and it's 6.6 real value. This block is useful, for example, for measuring of temperature, in case that we would like to see the maximum of the sensors. So all connected sensors are enabled, and in case that some sensor is broken, so the channel is disabled. Therefore it calculates only the maximum from connected and function sensors. That's pretty cool, isn't it?